Do you want a DIY mask, but this time for your legs as opposed to your face? I have just what you're looking for. So this is a DIY mask that will help to brighten your legs, will help to exfoliate, get rid of that dead skin cells, sometimes even that ingrown hair that you want to get rid of. So this is what's going to help. And I'm diving right into the ingredients. So here with me, I have some rice flour, yogurt, melted jaggery, lemon, and I have some honey. So I'm going to get right to it. If you do have extremely sensitive skin, you could skip the lemon, but it does help with brightening. So try and use it, but if not, you can skip it. You'll still get the benefit. So I'm going ahead and adding 2 tablespoons of rice flour here in a mixing bowl. And I'm taking 2 tablespoons of yogurt. And I'm going to add a tablespoon of honey. And now I'm adding a tablespoon of jaggery. Actually, I'm feeling like 2 tablespoons because I got those benefits. And I'm about to squeeze half a lemon, and I'm just squeezing. So guys, I'm just gonna go ahead and mix all of these ingredients with a spoon. Now you could use a whisk or blitz it up if you find that easier. I just want this to be as organic, and don't be worried if there are some lumps. Once it dries out, you could use that to like scrub the area if you feel like there are too many lumps, but otherwise you can use a whisk or blitz it up. The mask is ready, so now we're going to go apply it. So now you can use a spatula, or if you're lazy like me, you just go ahead and take a spoon. I've placed a towel under my leg so that I'm okay with it dripping, and as you can see, there are still some lumps, which I'm okay with because I'm going to use it as like an exfoliating thing once it dries. And now we're just going to let it dry. So guys, now it feels a bit tacky. As you can see what I'm doing, it feels a bit sticky-ish. So I'm just going to scrub it off and then go ahead and wash it, just so that I get that little extra exfoliation for getting rid of those dead skin cells. And actually, once you start scrubbing it, it becomes smoother. And now I am going to go wash it and show you how it looks. So guys, now this is the final look. I can already tell that there is a difference on this side of my leg, and to be honest, as outside of the brightness, I'm just feeling my legs and it feels baby soft. I'm not lying at all. Try it out and you'll know exactly what I mean by baby soft between both the sides. I feel like all of those dead skins have been exfoliated and it's added some brightness. So that is the final look. This is something that you can try out up to 2 times a week, maybe once or twice a week, and you will definitely see more permanent results. But this is beautiful. If nothing, at least your legs feel silky smooth. But I already see the brightness. Let me know if this mask worked for you, and also if you want me to try out some more DIYs, if there's any skin concerns that you want me to help you come up with the mask with, then let me know in the comments below, and I will definitely come up with a DIY for that as well. Until then, keep watching and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more content.